Hello my creative friends! Today I want to do a chain pull butterfly. I got a lot of requests from you to do chain and string pull techniques more often, so guys, here we go. This acrylic pouring technique is inspired by designer Gemma. She's also got a YouTube channel. And today, instead of adding my paint in lines to outline the butterfly, I'm gonna add it in drops. Let's see how that's gonna work. And for my negative space, I wanna go for black color. And for the colors of my butterfly, let's keep it simple today. Here I have aqua green, turquoise, and turquoise phthalo shade. All of my colors I mixed with Floetrol and water. Please check out the description under this video for more information, including the chains that I'm using and other supplies. And now let's pour some paint. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to read it, but harmony is my secret message for this piece. Today I'm working on a 12 by 12 wooden panel, so I'm not going to be too worried about covering my edges. So today, instead of creating lines that would shape the butterfly, I'm actually going to add my paint in drops. So let's see how that will work. So as you might have guessed, I'm using these chains as a guidelines just to keep my butterfly a little more symmetrical. I'm not going to be swiping them. So I have added most of my colors and I think this is pretty cool, but if I swipe right now, the colors would probably dry super dark against the black, especially this color because it's quite transparent. So I don't want my colors to disappear on black. So I'm adding a drop of white to every drop of color. Hopefully that will create a cool effect, a lot of contrast, and help my colors stand out and not disappear in the black. I'm gonna try to align my chain right outside of the color dots, not on them, but right out. This is so cool. I love it. Very different effect from adding lines of colors. And plus probably my dots are not super perfect and symmetrical, so this is why it's not overly symmetrical, let's say that. And other than that, it looks really cool. Okay, so I want to remove some of this extra paint in the center. Got a little too much black over here. Shoot. But still pretty cool. Maybe if I torch it. Alright guys, I have messed it up a little bit. At some point I saw that I have too much paint and it's gonna go over the chain. So I had to stop, and now I have this little thing here. Not too worried about this part because I can surely cover it. Okay, the last one left. Trying to make it look the same. Kind of worked. A little bit. Nice. So I did the same movement, like a dip movement, and it turned out looking quite close. So now I'm gonna remove all this excess paint and work on the center. This effect looks a little bit like feather of the bird, right? Let me know what you think. But since I have 4, I can't turn it into bird. But I like how it turned out from the drips rather than from the lines. Okay, let's continue working on the center just a little bit. Alright, my friends, I finally feel like I can stop now. This is a butterfly that wants to be a bird one day, right? I love this effect. I definitely want to try it with some other styles. Let me know if you would like to see it more. And thank you so much for watching. Talk to you in the comments and hope to see you next video. Bye bye. Happy pouring.